You've cut spending, you paid down your debt, and maybe even built your first emergency fund. But one unexpected crisis, like a car accident, a medical bill, or identity theft, can unravel all of it. Today, I'll show you how insurance is not just a checkbox on your baby steps plan. It's the invisible shield that helps you keep moving forward. Hey, I'm Ken from Trailstone Insurance. As a Ramsey Trusted Pro, we have helped thousands of families stay on track with the baby steps, even when life didn't go according to plan. Today, I want to show you how the right insurance strategy can keep a bad day from becoming a financial disaster. Most people don't realize that this can be done without spending more money than they already do. So, we've seen that insurance is the most overlooked risk in the baby steps. Why? Well, people love the momentum of the baby steps, paying off debt, building a fund. But here is what we see all too often. Someone's just built a $1,000 emergency fund and their car gets totaled. Or a family's halfway through paying off debt and there's a surgery with a $7,000 deductible. They finally feel ahead. But then a house fire or a lawsuit takes everything back to zero. Insurance is not just about paperwork, and insurance allows you to keep the progress you've made in the baby steps when a claim happens. So how can Trailstone help? Well, we work with families just like yours, and we begin by asking important questions, such as what baby step are you currently on? And what are you worried about that could set you back? Or even, how does it feel to lose the progress that you've made in the baby steps? Then we get to work. We check on what you already have. We identify any blind spots, and we shop over 40 insurers to find the coverage that's right for you. Not necessarily the most expensive coverage. And you don't pay us a fee for our help. Our goal is to make sure that you're protected and confident in your plan. Most people either buy a cheap plan with huge gaps in coverage, or they're overpaying for things they don't need, such as whole life insurance. We help you understand the difference between term and whole life, and why Dave Ramsey recommends term. So how to choose deductibles that match your emergency fund rather than destroy it. How to align your coverage with your stage of life instead of meeting an agent's quota. And what if what you currently have is already the best fit? We're going to tell you that too. Let me be real with you. By the time a claim happens, it's too late to go back and fix gaps in your coverages. We get so many calls from people after something bad has already happened. They meant to reach out. They planned to review their coverage and their policies. They just didn't get to it in time. And then life stepped in. Whether it was a car accident, a medical emergency, or a flooded basement, suddenly they're facing bills, stress, and harsh reality. What they thought was good coverage, it's not holding up to when it matters most. We don't want that for you. And that's why we're here to help before the crisis, to help you make smart, simple decisions now while you still can. If you're committed to following the baby steps and want to protect the progress you've made, just take 15 minutes for a free coverage checkup, and our Ramsey Trusted Pro team will help you understand your current coverage. We'll walk you through your options and ensure you're properly protected without any pressure or confusing jargon. Talk soon.